Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm going to be doing some heavy gaming on the Pixel 5a, but before I do that, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, like I said earlier, is going to be a gaming review on the Pixel 5a. I want to see what this Pixel 5a can do with some heavy games. I'll probably play some Call of Duty, Asphalt 9, and maybe some Marvel game. Shout out to Big Migs. He's always recommending games for me. I want to see if I can get it to overheat just like it does when you have the camera situation at 4K at 60. Will it overheat? I don't know. Let's find out and see. Hopefully it doesn't. Y'all definitely let me know how everything looks, how does it sound, and let's get into this video. We'll check out the battery life on the phone. It's at 100% right now. Also, I had this app. I don't know how accurate it is, but it says that it's running at 90.3, 90.2, 89. So it's going down around the brightness is all the way up. So let's get into it. Let's play some Asphalt 9. So that load time wasn't too bad. Maybe I need to turn the brightness down some. Might have to even edit that music out. How does it look? Actually on the screen it looks really good. I haven't played this game in a while. Hopefully everything's in focus with my camera. Get out of my way! Oh, I didn't get nothing. Oh, they passing me. They faster than me, y'all. But how does it look, y'all? How does it sound? They on my tail. First place, y'all. First place. Alright, I'm gonna play one more round. I don't wanna watch Aaron. What y'all thought about that? Y'all let me know. Let's move it to the next round. And play with the same car. Alright, one more round. What y'all think about it? Again, how does it look? It almost looks like the same color as my 300. Get out of my way, bro. Okay, they want to hang. They will learn sooner or later not to get in my way. I really drive like this at my house too. All right, I won that one too. So what y'all thought about that? How did it look? I think it sounded amazing. I think it looked pretty good while I was playing it. Let's go ahead and check out the battery. Still at 100%. I didn't lose anything. And it's still at 90, 90.6. So it's not really too hot at all. The back of the phone is a little warm, but not too bad. Just put that down. Alright, so some Marvel. I don't even know what this game called. Marvel something. All I know is I need to fight. I don't even know what I'm doing. How does this game look? I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. We captured something. How does it look, y'all? How does it sound? Oh. I should pay attention to the game. What am I doing? I don't know what that was. Oh, I died. I think we won. Victory. How was that game? What y'all thought about it? Did it look okay? I think it looked pretty good. I don't know what I'm doing in this game, but oh, that hurt. Alright, oh. Captured. Hopefully I didn't have hopefully I didn't have it out the sight the whole time. How does it look, y'all? Oh, I'm dead. Had it way down here. Sorry about that. Hopefully I didn't have it there too long. If I do, I apologize. I don't know. Maybe I can get in that spaceship or something. What y'all think about it? I still don't know what I'm doing. I think we won, but I really lost. Alright, so I'm going to play Call of Duty to wrap this up. Right now I'm at 99%. And the phone feels warm in the back, I'm not going to lie. It's kind of hot. But it still says I'm at 91. So it's not too bad. Let's move to Call of Duty. Let that start up. Alright, so let's play some Call of Duty, but let's check the graphics. As you can tell, it's on very high and very high. The phone is definitely warmer in the back. I can feel the, you know, how warm it's getting, but it's not too bad. How does these dual speakers sound? I think I'm gonna play a couple rounds of this. I have no idea what I'm doing, but it's harder to do this and play the game. Oh, just threw that at somebody. How does it look, y'all? I killed myself? Oh, I'm running the wrong way. I'm gonna follow my guy. Contact with enemy. I think we winning. I don't know how to do that. Try to think about this game. Get down, sniper. It's a lot harder to play the game. What are you running to, bro? Oh. I think we winning. He was trying to infiltrate our system. Oh, we won, y'all. Victory. So what y'all thought about that? I think I'm going to wrap up the video. I've been playing for about 20 minutes now. And let's see how everything turns out. I'm at 97%. As you can see there, my camera focus. Let's see. Temperature of the phone at 92%, 92.2. The back of the phone is kind of warm. I'm not going to lie, but it's not super hot. So, I think the Pixel 5a have passed the gaming test. What y'all think? Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all thought about it. Can you actually game with this phone? Do you game on your phone? If you have the Pixel or any other devices, do you game on your mobile device? Let me know in the comments. What about the speaker? The dual speaker sounded actually great on this phone. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't done so yet. Make sure you drop a like on this video. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.